So welcome everybody to the usual webinar of Omega Optix. So it will be the first one of 2023. This time we will talk about functional lenses. In particular, today about these lenses, we will see the actual needs, the digital in 2022, and what are the functional lenses offered from Omega Optix. So as we have seen last time, the research is at the service of the new needs everybody has. This means that we all need new products, because the life has changed and the jobs are changed. We are all now in front of the PC, for example. And so we need more and more to see closer or at the intermediate distances. So the visual problems, because of that, has increased, like sore eyes, blurred vision, headaches, or visual fatigues. To reply to these new problems, we have produced new type of lenses called functional lenses. So let's have a brief look at the digital world we are living. As you can see, all the digital services has increased, such like the using of mobile phones, the users of internet, and social media users. And the daily time spent with media has also increased. We can easily say that we are living in a digital era. The result is that the myopia has increased, and we will continue to increase in the next years. What we need so is a range of lenses for digital lifestyle, for comfort of vision. The reply is functional lenses, such as Idealist, the single vision freeform, Exact DS Smart, the single vision with the fixed vision, and Exact DS Office. These lenses have specific function like focusing distances and width and quality of vision. So let's start talking about Idealist DS. These lenses are single vision lenses produced in, of course, freeform design. And thanks to these lenses, the wearer can see perfectly without aberration in the whole surface of the lens, as you can see there. Not like single vision stock or RX lenses, spheric or aspheric, where the perfect vision is in the center of the lens, as you can see some example there. In the Idealist DS lenses, we have the almost complete elimination of the spherical aberration and oblique astigmatism. The feature of this lens is that it is thinner and lighter, has a very clear vision, very high compensation of distortion and astigmatism aberrations, very good, and they are very good for eye correction, where it eliminates unpleasant visual sensation. Thanks to the multi-asphericity of these lenses, of course, the wearer can see perfectly all around the lens surface. Here, an example of a representation of a prescription where you can see the difference between a standard lens, stock or RX, and the idealist. And of course, one of a very important thing of idealist lenses is that reduce the visual magnification gives by standard lenses. Here an example of +6 diopters. Avec DS Smart. This is a single vision freeform with accommodative assistance. These lenses can prevent a syndrome called accommodative stress syndrome. They have a fixed addition in the lower part of the lens to give an accommodative support. These lenses comes with 3 different accommodative support, such as 0.66, 1 and 1.25. Here I've put some ages target for each accommodative support. The lens gives very good support for all the wearers from 18 to 45 years old that complain about visual fatigue, and the ones using continuously digital devices and have many activities with focus at near distance. One of our other functional lenses is represented by Avec DS Office, the digressive lenses for indoor. These lenses are very good for the presbyopes with spatial intermediate and near vision needs. As you can see, the visual area of single vision or progressive in indoor cannot fulfill all the visual needs. And gives you probably a not correct posture. Like the ones gives to you by using Avec DS Office. The Office lenses have different depth vision. The first one is represented by the 1.3 meters, where you will have in the lower part the near vision and the upper part the intermediate vision. So you can go from a distance of 33 centimeters up to 1.3 meters. And the wearer can see all the objects in the desk and behind, up, of course, to 1.3 meters. There is other 2 options in Avec DS Office, up to 2 meters and 4 meters. In these cases, we will always have on the lower part, of course, the near vision, but in the upper part, we will have an intermediate vision and a deep intermediate vision in order to get up to 2 meters or 4 meters. The benefits given by these lenses are quick and easy adaptation, a superior comfort of vision, easy achievement of near vision and intermediate vision, comfortable vision in activities that require alternating near and intermediate vision. You can see now an easy comparison of the designs in which we can check the vision area you can achieve with these lenses. Very important, to order these lenses, you have to provide the prescription for far, the addition, and the depth of vision that the wearer would like to achieve. So 1.3, 2, or 4 meters. In the catalog, you can see also a conversion table where you can have the comparison between the addition and the digression according to the depth vision you want to achieve. Beside these lenses, you can choose also the lenses called fine focus office. These are always full backside digressive lenses, but in this case are designed to provide a comfortable vision and at near intermediate distance with a good price. These lenses have been developed, of course, as I said, to provide an economical solution for presbyopes. They are provided with digression from 0.25 to 2.25 in a steps of 0.25. Another functional lenses is represented by iDrive. This completely new category of lenses was designed with the drivers in the mind in order to provide clear vision during day and night. Thanks to the technology called reflect control, the night reflection are reduced by up to 90%. These lenses comes in single vision and progressive. One of the last functional lenses we can provide to our customer is represented by Exact DS Naviga, which is a progressive lens, of course, designed especially for driving where the far vision has been enhanced to provide the wearer with the best view of the road. We can say that the difference between iDrive and Exact DS Naviga is the same we have in Exact DS Office and Fine Focus Office. It's a completely two different lenses provided in the second case, Fine Focus Office and Exact DS Naviga, in a sort of economical solution, let's say. And so the top choice is represented by Exact DS Office and iDrive in different cases, of course. So that's it about functional lenses. I thank you for your kind attention. Now it's time for some questions, if you have any. Any question? No one would like to be the first one who posed the question? Okay. Thank you, Ferdinando. No question means that it was clear. I hope so. Okay, first question. The iDrive glasses are progressive lens with special coating. We can say that the iDrive is a combination between design and coating. In this case, the wearer or the customer cannot choose which coating would like to have, because it's included in the lenses a special coating with let's say a sort of yellow residual color to prevent, as I said, the reflection, especially during the night. Card, thank you for your words. I appreciate it was very clear. Thank you aussi, Damien. If it's clear, I'm very happy. No, Olivier asked if the iDrive change color. No, it's not a sort of photochromic lenses like drive wear, but it's a clear lens with a special coating to prevent, as I said, the reflections. Okay. Other question. When do I use best smart 1.1 or 1.25? In the presentation, I've shown you. I've tried to give you an idea of the ages to use 1 and 1.25. 1.25, we have to consider it as a pre-presbyope lens. So we can use it when the people is from, let's say, 45 or 50 years old, and it's starting becoming presbyopes in this case. Because personally, but it's my personal choice, I prefer to use progressive lenses from 1.50 above. But this is my personal feeling. Other question. The Exact DS Naviga is a similar, I guess, with iDrive, but without the special AR coating. Yes, in this case, we are talking about a progressive lens that has a very wide area of far vision, and the intermediate and near are smaller than a normal progressive lenses. And in this case, we can choose, so the customer can choose the coatings he wants. So no matter about HMC or I don't know, Max or X-Blue or whatever. Of course, I always suggest to order Exact DS Naviga with, I don't know, or Spectra or Smart Drive to have the best combination. But it's up to the customer in this case. Other question, why is there a 0.4 higher correction in the lens? So yes, in the iDrive, Pro, so in progressive, and the single vision Pro also, there is a 0.4 correction to for the correct the night myopia. So there is a sort of compensation that is taken into account when the lenses is produced. No, other question. So drive were changed the color? No, as I said, eye drive lenses does not change the color. It's clear. It's not like driveware. In driveware is photochromic lenses that change the color. Eye drive, no. It's clear lenses with yellow reflection coating. So another question. Is there a difference of the progression length between Smart 0.66 and 1? Does the length of Smart 2.01 different from the all Smart 0.25 and Smart 1? No, there is no difference between this one and the Smart 1.0. What we have changed is only the accommodative support. That's the point. That's it. For fine focus degressive and exact DS degressive, sorry, it is only the geometry of the lens which change. Yes, of course, the design of the lenses are different. So this is a difference between both. The other difference is the way how to order these lenses. In exact DS office, as I said, you have to order them by putting the prescription for far, addition, and up to which distance the wearer would like to see. So 1.3, 2, or 4 meters. In this case, taking into account these parameters, the software will choose the best digression. To have an idea of the digression, there is the conversion table, sorry, in the catalog. While in the fine focus, not only the design is different, but also the way to order. In this case, you have to choose the prescription for near and digression. Digression chosen from 0.25 up to 2.2, sorry, 0.25 with the steps of 0.25. To make the things easy, think about fine focus office as the evolution in free form of the old Pro office, let's say. Thanks to you, Olivier. What was the lens name with the minus 0.4 diopter night myopia correction? iDrive, Danny, iDrive lenses. Is there a difference of the inset between Smart 2.0 066 and Smart 1 and Smart, of course, 1.25? No, it's always in this case, it's not correct talking about inset because they are basically single vision lenses with fixed addition. It's not really a progressive lens. But anyway, the convergence is the same. I mean. Is there any question? Other questions? Question from my side, was everything clear on the explanation and on the replies to your questions? Do you have some doubts or whatever? Thank you, Danny, and thank you, Michele. I appreciate that was good. Thank you to you as well, Danny and Olivier. Thanks a lot, Spiros. I miss you. Yes, the question is, the presentation will be sent to us. Yes, of course. My colleagues from marketing will send you, I guess, an email with the link to this registration, so you can listen again about this webinar. Absolutely. Thank you, Timo, and thank you, Robert. Thanks to you, Carl. Yeah. So marketing people told me that the video will be sent automatically to all the attendees. So if there is no other questions, I thank you once again for your participations. I think in the next month or soon there will be another webinar. Probably we will talk about code things. Okay. Thank you very much, and we'll keep in touch. Have a nice day to everybody.